Okay, this is healing for the skeletal system. You still want to do a proper job of this. Dare you get them cork rib. I like strong beer in Cornish. So let's get straight into it. I have a picture of the skeletal system in this book. It's from Crystals and Healing. So this has a relationship to the base chakra, foundation upon which everything is built. This is part one, by the way. There's a second part on the next one. It's the same for the skeletal system. Everything is built around it. It is the densest of all the systems. Because of that, it can relate to the crystals and minerals. Quartz is quite hard on the Mohs scale, 7 to 8. It is a dynamic energy. The skeletal system can suffer wear and tear and all sorts of problems. It is possibly affected by an inflexible attitude, but to say that is the cause of a problem would be misguided, as there are many other factors. Can it be repaired? Yes, it can regenerate, can stop the decline and control the problem areas. Quartz can heal itself, can grow a structure over the damage. In case of quartz, it will grow back more than one termination. So there is self-healed quartz. To find one, look through the quartz points, turn over the end opposite to the termination. I've lost it. Is that end regrowing with terminations? You can see that one is. I've had this one quite a lot of years actually. So, this particular quartz is useful for self-healing and will work well with a quartz cluster. So we've still got a quartz cluster and a smoky quartz as well. And sometimes they are hard to find. I'm not going to give them a role in this healing meditation, but if you do find one, you can place it close to the base. It's not necessary if you're listening to this video, because the energies are part of this video and being transmitted really. Another crystal would be red hematite quartz. This will directly stimulate the etheric body and the adrenal glands. So this is a healing meditation for the skeletal system of the body. To do this is to reprogram the system. Remember, this system is a group life. So we prepare the crystals. You have a hematite quartz and a self-healed quartz. They would be useful and both would be placed at the base. So it could be either side at the top of the legs. Smoky quartz at the earth centre beneath your feet. So it does say if hematite quartz and self-healed quartz is not available, we're just going to use the quartz cluster and the smoky. So pick up the quartz cluster. Identify with the space. Realize the space contains life force energy. So identify with the fact that it possesses life force energy. Now identify with the quartz cluster, all this with eyes open. And realize the quartz cluster radiates life force energy. Close your eyes and visualize the soul sphere, which also radiates life force energy. You now have a triangle of life force energy. Quartz cluster you are holding, move it to a position close to the base chakra, which is at the bottom of the spine. So just position your hands with the cluster close to the base. Now create a sphere of light beneath of the feet. If you are sitting on the floor, create the sphere to surround both feet. And to this sphere of light you have created, you now transfer the energies of life from the space to the sphere. And the energies of the soul sphere to the sphere of light. You do this by realizing the sphere of light is within the space. So visualize the life force energies of the space being absorbed by the sphere. To transfer the life force energies from the soul sphere above the head, create a line of light down the back of the head, going down the spine, and continuing down to the sphere of light. You can imagine this as a tube of light, the energy flowing down the tube. So now both the cluster and the sphere of light beneath your feet possesses life force energy. You focus upon the two. Realize that this life force energy is the healing energy of regeneration and will strengthen and heal the skeletal system. The energy of life will enable it to become flexible to create a better movement. The next stage is to bring this energy into the system itself. So firstly focus upon the sphere of light beneath the feet, or the sphere you have created around the feet. You identify what this energy can do. You can at this point request what you require it to do if you have a specific problem with the skeletal system. Start to focus this energy into the structure of the feet. Then bring it up the structure of the legs. Move the energy slowly upwards. If it stops, that may be an area for extra healing. For example, the knees can be a problem area. Then move the energy to the hips, which also can cause problems. Your focus now is the quartz cluster and the base chakra, which emanates downwards from the base of the spine. And this will be the access point for the healing life force energies. Visualize the healing energies from the quartz cluster entering the base of the spine, the coccyx and tailbone, spreading over the sacrum area. Feel the muscles relaxing. Start to bring it up the space into the lumbar area. And remember, you can stop where you need to. Then into the thoracic joints. As it does that, it also spreads into the ribs and rib cage. This healing energy is also the energy of repair. Bring it up to the neck joint. Spread it across the shoulders, down the arms into the finger joints. To the base of the skull. It then travels across the head to the front of the face. Finally, focus upon the sphere of soul light, which contains life force energy. Healing energy. It also contains the energy of love. You now bring down the energy of life and love from the soul sphere. It will come down to the top of the head and flow downwards through the entire skeletal system to the earth sphere. To give yourself extra healing, you can now focus upon a specific area. Visualize this area becoming new, regenerating and repairing itself. Finish this meditation in your own time. Fully focus upon the earth. Feel yourself upon the earth. And slowly open your eyes into the space, bringing your attention to the objects within the space, and sit quietly for a moment.